If you were injured by a drunk driver in Colorado Springs, the criminal case against the driver does not automatically pay your medical bills or replace your lost wages. You need a personal injury claim to recover full compensation, and the insurance company will still try to minimize what they owe you. Driving under the influence is clear negligence, but adjusters may argue your injuries are pre-existing or offer a quick settlement before you know the full extent of your damages. McCormick and Murphy represents DUI accident victims throughout Colorado Springs. With over 75 years of combined legal experience, our team includes former insurance defense attorneys who know every tactic insurers use. We obtain toxicology results, police reports, and bar or restaurant records when needed. Colorado law allows you to recover compensation for medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and property damage. You should not negotiate with the drunk driver's insurance company alone. Call McCormick and Murphy today at 719-389-0400 or visit us online at McCormickMurphy.com.